What's the meaning of arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed amount, called the common difference, to the preceding term. In other words, the difference between any two consecutive terms in the sequence is always the same. For example, an arithmetic progression starting with 1, with a common difference of 2, would have the terms 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Arithmetic progressions have many important applications in mathematics, including in algebra, number theory, and calculus.